Hello guys! Welcome back to Fire TV Hunter RJ, your go-to source for all things Kodi. To my amazing subscribers, thank you for your unwavering support. If you're new here, I'd like to invite you to join our growing community by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you never miss out. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to add the Rising Tides add-on to your Kodi app. This add-on is perfect for sports enthusiasts, movie lovers, and anyone who enjoys TV shows. The best part? This method works across all Kodi-enabled devices, including Amazon Firestick, Standard, 4K, and Lite versions, Android mobiles and tablets, Windows PCs, and more. This is going to be a straightforward, step-by-step guide, so make sure you stick around from start to finish to avoid any mistakes. Step-by-step instructions. Enable unknown sources. Start by going to Settings. Click on System and then select Add-Ons from the left-hand menu. Turn on Unknown Sources to enable the installation of files from external repositories. When prompted, click Yes to confirm. Add a file source. Go back to the home page and select File Manager. Click on Add Source and then click None to enter the URL. Here's an important note. Make sure to type the URL exactly as shown, it is case sensitive. You can pause the video or refer to the link on the screen to ensure accuracy. Enter the URL, http://multifabs.xyz/repository/k19. Name the media source, e.g., K19, and click OK. Install from zip file, return to the home page and go to Add-Ons. Select Install from zip file, locate the source name, e.g., K19, and click on it. Select the zip file and allow it to install. This will take a few seconds. Install from repository. After the installation, click Install from repository. Select Rising Tides repository. Navigate to Video Add-Ons and choose Rising Tides. Click Install, then confirm any additional prompts by clicking OK. Wait for the installation to complete. Access the add-on, return to the home page. Go to Add-Ons, then Video Add-Ons, and select Rising Tides. You can now explore all the content available within this add-on. Disclaimer: this tutorial is purely for educational purposes. AddOns does not own, host, operate, or distribute any streaming apps, add-ons, or IPTV services. Some add-ons mentioned may include unverified services. It is your responsibility as the end user to ensure you only stream content available in the public domain. Outro: if you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by hitting the subscribe button and leaving a like. Your support encourages me to create more content like this. Stay tuned, I'll be uploading more tutorials on the latest Kodi add-ons soon. Until then, happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.